Welcome to the Orderica JMS training videos. In this video, we're going to discuss categories. To access your categories, be sure the inventory menu is selected in the bottom left, and then select the category submenu in the top left. Categories allow you to organize your products into groups. Let's start by adding a new category. Press the green Add button in the top left, and you will then be presented with a form to fill out with information regarding your category. There are 6 tabs of information. We start with General Information. Please note that fields highlighted with a red box are required. So start by entering in the name of the category. Categories typically combine a product type and a material. Select the product type and material that apply to this category. Enter in a gender if this category is exclusive to a single gender, or leave it as none if it can apply to both. The commission adjustment allows you to change the amount of commission an employee would receive for selling a product of this category. For instance, an adjustment of 90% would mean that an employee would make 90% of the commission listed on their employee commission records. Now enter in a generic description and inventory type if you'd like. Now let's move on to the Pricing tab. The Pricing tab allows you to set up automatic price markups. We enter in different minimum values and add in markups to help determine the price range of a product in this category. Let's look at an example to better understand how this works. Consider the following entries in this table, and let's say we want to sell an item of this category for $200. That item would fall under the second row because 200 is greater than 100 but less than 500. To get the full retail price, we would multiply 200 with the 2.0 markup and get $400. To get the lowest possible retail price, we would multiply the $200 with the 1.5 markup and get $300. So in conclusion, the full retail price of our $200 item would be $400, and the lowest price it can be sold for would be $300. Enter in different price ranges and markups for your category if you'd like. Let's now move on to the Details page. Here you can enter in the different properties that you want to be applied to products of this category. For instance, if you select weight, then anytime you are creating a product for this category, you can select the different weights that the product will be available in, and customers of this product can choose accordingly. We can also create more properties if we'd like by clicking the Add button here. We enter in the name of the property and then select a type, text or number. Next we have the Tags section. Here we can configure what the tags for products of this category will look like. Start by selecting a tag shape and size in the Media field. Now select Add Field to add a new field to the tag. Select what type of data you want to enter in, such as the SKU or retail price, and then select text or barcode under data type to determine how the information will be displayed on the tag. You can change the sample data field to change what it shows in the preview down below. You can also adjust the location and size of the field by adjusting the preview or by changing the values for left, top, height, and width fields. Some data fields also have formatting options. You can enter in different formats under retail price, for instance, changing how the price is displayed. You can also select an alignment and font type if it applies. You can save a template for later use with other categories if you'd like by clicking the Save Template button in the top right and then entering in a name for the template. To load a saved template, you can press the Load Template button. You can load some of the default templates that have already been made if you don't want to create your own template. Now let's move on to the Notes tab. On this tab, you can create any notes that you want for this category to view later. To add a new note, simply press the green Add button in the top left. Enter in a short description that serves as a title for the note, as well as a long description for the note itself. Then press OK. You can use the yellow Edit button and the red Delete button to configure your page of notes. The last tab is the History tab. which will be filled automatically as changes occur to the category. Press the OK button to complete the process. In the category submenu, you'll be presented with all of the categories in a list format. When you select a category, the bottom of the page will show you all of its details. You can always select the view page at the top here and choose whether to move that section to the right or remove it entirely. To edit a category, select it and then click the yellow edit button, or just double click on it. You will be given the same window we just filled out, and you can change any of the information you want. To delete a category, select it and press the red delete button in the top left. Now, if you want to organize your list of categories by a particular field, you can click and drag that field to the blue bar at the top of the list, and your items will automatically be grouped and organized. You can also use the search button in the loading section at the top here to filter the items that are shown in this list by different fields, including type and material. To change between the pages of items, you can press the arrow keys at the top here, or you can select the drop-down menu here and select which page to switch to. You can also press this green button here to switch the page mode and have all the items on a single page. Lastly, you can use the Export To button in the top right to export your category list to a PDF or Excel file. Select the categories you want to be exported by clicking on their corresponding boxes, then select which file type you would like. Well, that concludes our video. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at info@orderica.com. Thank you for watching.